Yeah, Majita, this is Talking Football with D. It's where my brother Wale Bagajuju, Mall of Tase, Reboni game here, AmaZulu, Le Mamelodi Sundowns ending in 5-2. My brother, how are you?
I'm
right.
Yeah.
Yes, how did you see the game?
Game by Sundowns we come bola
Yes.
and then enjoying.
So, Kimangwelo Rudis of our man of the match from this game. Riberi Village.
Yeah, it is a stability coming midfield. Sundowns I like it too much.
Sure.
Yeah, for the past 3 games, Sundowns I got stability coming midfield.
So a lot of people are saying Williams Uyabadlisa doesn't deserve to be Mzanzi's number 1. What do you have to say about that?
Williams is fan of Peterson. Peterson, but
same WhatsApp group.
Same WhatsApp group.
So Usipo Chain is gonna be our number 1.
Yeah,
if we are being fair.
Yeah, already how many clean sheets?
Already it's like 3 clean sheets out of 4 games.
Yeah, and then they will be surprised. Look at my hour, goalkeeper of the season.
Yes.
Yeah.
So from the game here, Mamota, who do you think deserves to be a man of the match from 2 teams?
I still say Tebogo. Yeah.
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 Thank you so much, member.
Pleasant to be my brother.
Ciao.